World Animal Day is celebrated across the globe on 4th October every year to spread awareness and improve welfare standards of animals around the world. When we conserve and protect the natural habitat of wildlife species, we enrich our planet. It is celebrated in different ways in every country, irrespective of nationality, religion, faith, or political ideology. Through increased awareness and education, we can create a world where animals are always recognized and full regard is paid to their welfare. The residents of Palakkad district, including me, is proud to say that the National Park Silent Valley is located in this district. Here is Albert of Plus 2 Biology, our Forestry Club member, to say about the species richness of Silent Valley.
The Silent Valley National Park is a national park in Kerala. It is located in Nilgiri Hills. It has a core area of 89.52 km square and it is surrounded by a buffer zone of 148 km square. This natural park has some rare species of flora and fauna. This area was explored in 1847 by Robert White. This national park is recently identified as one of the important bird area of the country, supporting most of the rare and endemic birds of the region. The rare bird species found here are Ceylon frogmouth, Great Indian hornbill, long-legged buzzard, etc. The most abundant bird was the black bulbul. There are at least 34 species of mammals at Silent Valley, including the threatened lion-tailed macaque, Nilgiri langur, Malabar giant squirrel, Nilgiri tahr, and hairy winged bat. There are at least 730 identified species of insects in the park. The maximum number of species belong to the order Lepidoptera and Coleoptera. 33 species of crickets and grasshoppers have been recorded, of which one was new. 41 species of true bugs have been recorded. 128 species of beetles, including 10 new species, have been recorded. Over 128 species of butterflies and 400 species of moths live here. At least 500 species of earthworms and leeches have been identified here. The Silent Valley bush frog, Rorchestes, first described in 2016, is named after the park.
The endemic species, lion-tailed macaque, inhabits the evergreen forests of Silent Valley. Here is Abhiram of Plus 2 Biology to explain about its biological classification, and he will show you a wonderful video about it.
The lion-tailed macaque is one of 16 macaque species, which is an old world fungi. It lives in Western Ghats mountains of India.
The hair of the lion-tailed macaque is dark brown or black. There is a black tuft at the end of the tail, similar to a lion tail. It is a diurnal animal, active during the day. It lives in rainforest. It is a good climber and spends most of its life in the upper branches. Lion-tailed macaque is one of the rarest primates, with less than 2,500 individuals remaining in the wild. Because of timber harvest and agriculturing, their population number continue to decrease.
Now let's see the scientific classification.
Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordata, Class Mammalia, Order Primates, Family Cercopithecidae, Genus Macaca, Species Macaca silenus.